what have been your greatest rewards or achievements or satisfaction, especially as personal as entrepreneur in this process?
Um, I mean, something that I'm really happy about every day is that there is a growing number of people who want to become distributors every day. Yeah, there are requests nearly every day from people who want to become distributors. Then I help them to calculate whether it makes sense in their country. One country where I can say it doesn't make sense is Uganda, because it's completely flooded and destroyed by aid, and it does not make anybody happy to sell biogas at market price there. So together we evaluate whether it makes sense, and then some of them start, others don't. There are also people who give up because of projects or programs coming in. But that is my, yeah, my pride. I can say that people trust me enough to start this business, yeah, with their own money, despite the very difficult situation in the aid distorted markets. But something else that I'm really, really happy about is that even an investor, an African investor, trusted me and my business model enough to actually invest, yeah, and to become a partner, a close partner, and a supporter of this vision and approach. And that's something that really makes me proud, and yeah, keeps me going, really, because
Yes.
I reject offers from Western investors. Yeah, I don't want that people from other continents decide what is happening in Africa. Okay, I'm white, obviously, I'm not African, but I offer my idea and technology for Africans to decide whether they want this or not. And this is what has been happening. It is the it is foreigners who decide for Africa, and I think that's so wrong. And I just want to not play that game. Let's put it this way. Yeah. And the
Of
third
course.
thing that I can say is quite an honor at the moment. There's a big African airline that has recognized my work and has said, okay, you know what? We will be happy to make your product and your work a little bit more visible. So let's put it into our onboard magazine, and that's that's coming out very shortly. And I think that's an interesting way uh, um, to to approach and to reach potential African partners.
Always, always. This is amazing because when I started watching your videos, your talks, and I listened your proposition, to me was something that impressed me so much because you understood very well the problems inside of the continent, and you said we need a local solution. So you adapted the technology that maybe you can learn in Germany in this case, but you adapted to the circumstances of Africa, and all the narrative that you are building in your business is about to adapt to an African solution. And I think this is amazing. I'm really, really congratulate to you. And basically, this is how we think is an African gold grower. You know, a people who is facing in a very creative way the problems of Africa and bringing solutions that literally are making gold. Not only because you are creating jobs and bringing money to the local economy, because you are resolving real problems in the local community. So congratulations.
Thank you very much. Yeah, this is beyond biogas. It's just a vehicle to show that it's possible. I mean, that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. And to motivate people to do what I do because it's possible. Yeah. To work without aid. Yeah.